What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be changing a lock that goes to the outside of the house. So this door opens up, goes to the outside of the house, and we're going to be changing the locks. Why would you want to change the locks? A couple of reasons. If you just bought a house or you just move into a new place, it's good to change the locks because you don't know who has keys to get into your home. My buddy just bought this house, and so we're changing the locks. Another reason, this one has a key that locks to the inside as well as a key to the outside, which means if the door is locked, you can't get in without a key. But it also means if the door is locked, you can't get out without a key, which one is illegal to fire codes. You know, if there's a fire emergency and you got to get out of the house for whatever reason, you can't get out. So we're going to be taking out this deadbolt, which needs a key from both sides, and exchanging it for this, which has a key from both sides. It also has a different key pattern, and so we're changing that out so that the key pattern will be different, and so that way, you know, if anybody else, a neighbor or whoever has a key to your place, they can't get in. Now, Schlage is a key company, and they have a cool thing. On top of theirs, it says right here, buying more than one lock, match this code. So it has their code right here. And what that means is if you get all yours, you go to the hardware store and you say, oh, okay, you just pick through the shelf and find them, and they'll all have the same matching key. So your front door, back door, side door can all be on the same key. Rather than having 7 different keys to get into your home, you can match it all up to be one. So if you do buy a Schlage, make sure you save this sticker here, take a photo of it, something, so that way if you ever want to, you can go in and you can find out what it is. Also at Home Depot, if you bring them the key that matches it, you can sometimes get another lock that matches that key. So if you don't have it, it's not the end of the world. All right, tools to use. We're gonna be using the screwdriver here. To get out, we're gonna be using an impact driver. You can do it with a hand screwdriver, and that's about it. Right now, this is locked. I can't get out. Now, if you don't have the key and you're changing it and you can't get out, that's fine. All you need is this, and I'm gonna take this, unscrew the bolts from the inside, which only bolt from the inside. I can take this out, and then right through there, I might be able to stick my screwdrivers in, and I might be able to pop this out. And if I can pop out the barrel that's in there, now I'm locked out, no barrel. Take a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna try and zoom in here. Zooming in, right there. I'm gonna stick this right in there, and I'm gonna turn this. See if I can get this. Let's see here if I can get this with one hand. Ooh, might take more than one hand. Give me 1 second. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this in here to give me just a little bit of extra leverage here. I'm gonna twist this just a little bit. There we go. Got that. Oh, look at that. Opens up. And then we can unscrew these. Unscrew, unscrew, pop that thing apart. There we go. Now we just put this thing back together. Put the new lock on the outside. Take all this out, put the new one back on, and we'll be rocking and rolling. Now sometimes this deadbolt thing here just comes and it's screwed in with just whatever. What we got is, this is the old one. Small little holes here. We got a drywall screw and just some other random wood screw. Now the new Schlages here, it comes with this, which is a much bigger plate, bigger holes, and these massive screws. Now these massive screws are gonna make a big difference on a deadbolt, because what this does, these short little ones go into wood, which is solid wood, but it only goes in the trim. Now deep under there, under the trim, now that's the stud. So that's like a 4x4 or a 2x4, sometimes a 2x6. I think we got a 2x6 in this aspect here. And this is gonna actually connect into the frame of the house, much deeper, much more secure. You know, this is gonna be real hard to kick off. And we also have this, which this plate is now offset. So you can see these are the old screws there. This new screw, it's actually offset, so it's deeper in towards the door jamb. And you'll see right here it says, you know, door stop side right there. So it does not go like this. In this case, it will go upside down right there. And there you have it. There's our new Schlage door. Key works. No problem. Push it in, lock it. Easy. 10-minute project. Thanks for watching that video, and check out all the other videos for all sorts of home improvement things and woodworking, ukulele building, and a lot more to come in the future.